Again, the power, do you see the power flashes continuing? Will, do you see the power flashes continuing? I mean, we see them all over. I mean, look at these power flashes going on, guys. This, again, this is something you don't see very often, that we're in the middle of a very, very intense wind damage event. You could call it a, Dick, I don't know what great word to use. I mean, we're getting cut down with massive winds. And there's, and yeah, so we're basically, that's a good point, at a tornado limit. So we're going right now with all these power flashes. You're looking at Sky News 6 at this time, downtown, east side of Tulsa. You need to be aware that this is happening for you guys on the east side of Tulsa. Now that's moved toward the airport area. I'm going to readjust. In fact, we have, let's go to Pathfinder right at this minute. This is the damage area that we have right now in Tulsa with the wind damage downtown. We have another circulation feature on the west side of Tulsa. Vaughn, are you there? Vaughn, are you there? Okay, Darren, are you there? I've lost both guys. Will, you still there? They are? Okay, I cannot hear them right now. Were they potted down in the audio room? Vaughn or Darren, you there? Okay, I think we've got them potted down in the weather, or down in the other. Is Mark there? Huh? Will is there? Will, you still there?
Travis, I'm still with you. We have seen some power flashes out on the east side of town here as the storm cell continues to move on the east side. We're definitely picking up more activity. We're starting to see lightning. Again, that's another sign that the life cycle of this storm is starting to increase. We're seeing several strikes out to the east side of the TIA at this time, and we're starting to see a little bit more inflow. I can feel it out here on the southeast. I'm leaning this aircraft into the wind again, and we're looking at this leading edge here. Again, no definition out here on the leading edge. You just saw another lightning strike there in your monitor, but again, the storm rain curtain is now passing Memorial as it goes up towards 169, still continuing eastbound through the downtown and the south of downtown area. Travis?
Okay, all right, I appreciate that, and we need to go to Weather 6 Pod if we could. I don't know if anybody's in the control room. Thank you. Here's a look at what's happening right now. This is the Tornadic area. We're going to call it a tornado. Dick Farrow just said this, and this is true. With 80 to 90 mile an hour winds, this is the east side of Tulsa right now. That's headed towards the casino and the airport getting hit right now. I don't know what T4 looks like. Guys, do you have T4? In and out? Okay, so it's just blasting the airport at this moment. So this is just getting nailed left and right. This is a major event for downtown and central Tulsa. We have another system just on the west side of Sand Springs at this time that is coming into the downtown area. So if you are in these areas around downtown Tulsa, you have to be advised this is not good and this is bad. The east side of Tulsa, Catoosa, you're in bad shape right now. You're going to get winds of 60 to 90 miles per hour. You're going to have power outages. You will have the potential for large hail coming in over the next 30 to probably right at an hour, and we will have significant heavy rainfall event going on as well during this time period. As you can see from Will, I lost it. I don't have his audio right now, but we do have, this is a look from his video at this particular moment, and you can see this leading edge of this area, again, on the east side of Tulsa. Is Will there or not? Okay, Will, you still there? Can you give me another bird's eye view of what we're looking at?
And Travis, can you hear me?
Yes, go. Go, Will.
Travis, right now we're still, again, it's a passing Memorial coming up on 169. Again, like I said earlier, the life cycle, we're picking up multiple lightning strikes out here just east of TIA at this time. I'm southeast looking to the northwest. You can see the leading edge, the lowering there. Again, not a lot of definition yet like it was earlier, but you can still see that heavy rain curtain. Lightning striking multiple times out here on the east side of this leading edge, which is to the right of your screen as it's moving eastbound now through the south part of downtown, and it's still continuing to move at a pretty good pace. And we're seeing is a lot of wind now starting to come in from the southeast. I'm really having to lean the helicopter out to the southeast to keep us in a steady position here as we give you these pictures facing to the northwest. Travis?
Okay, thank you. And what do you have? Okay, and we also have a report now of a funnel cloud over the airport. Is that true? Are you near that where you can see that? Because I'm looking at your video on it.
Travis, no, right now I don't see any funnel cloud over the airport. Right now we're just due south of the airport, and I'm not seeing that at this time. I'm looking at the lowering. Let's bring you over to the airport. We're going to go to the right, and I'll show you the airport. I'll bring Paul, and you continue to go to the airport. You can see it's just continue right, Paul. And as we come in, right about there is the airport, zoom in, and you can see the airport's just outside the lowering. We're not seeing any reports at this point for the for lowerings in this area.
Okay, so that is over the airport right now, though, right? And
the
we're still
leading edge is over the airport at this time.
Yep.
It's starting to move in over the airport as we speak. Yes, Travis.
All right, and we also have, and thank you, Will. I'm gonna keep your picture up there for a minute. I also need to double box, if you can, back to Weather 6. And Darren is at the airport too right now. Darren, can you go?
Yes, Travis. At the airport, there is a funnel cloud directly over the airport at this time.
There is. Okay. And Will, go ahead.
It is moving east. This is Vaughn. It is moving east, and it's still over the airport. Take my speed and turn it around. If you can make it out.
All right.
Right there.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And Vaughn, go. While Darren's got his picture.
I'm on Highway 169, and I'm headed south on 169, and I've got debris falling on me. Looked like some shingle type of stuff and some insulation. The rain curtains are wrapping around at 244 is where the rain curtains are. So Darren's right in that clear spot right now.
Okay. And we do, that's it, okay. And
still a funnel, Travis.
Still a funnel there. Okay.
Still a funnel. Still a funnel.
Everybody, here's what's going on real quick if you're just joining us. This is a major event for Central Tulsa and East Tulsa. We also have a circulation feature on the backside. Dick Farrow is watching now. It's a little bit farther to the south-southwest near Allen Bowden School and also near Town West. We're going to be watching that. Then we have the cell, as we said, that's on the east side of Tulsa doing major damage. Power outages are going to be almost total in the areas of downtown Tulsa to the east because of so many power flashes that we've been seeing. This has been an amazing event that's just unfolded very quickly right over the city of Tulsa. It started just west of Tulsa with a tornado that developed near Westport, near Lake Keystone. That has continued now. Moving to the east, now it's moving in on Catoosa slower as the secondary system, or the secondary part of this, is wrapping up a little bit more, and that is going to also cause some conditions for the first part of this system. And Darren, go ahead and tell me what's going on at the airport, will you?
Travis, the area of circulation has moved to the east. It is east of Highway 169 and north of 244. It is just in the Pine area, the Pine Street area, directly over it.
All right. And then we have the one that's out west near Sand Springs, which I just bumped too hard. We're talking about conditions that are just still very, very bad for you if you're east of this area. What do you have for winds right now, in fact? Darren, are you there?
Yes, Travis, I'm here. I'm on the suction side of this. The inflows on it are maybe 40 to 45 miles an hour. I haven't got hit. There comes the RFC right there. Hail. Just got a gust of 60.
Okay. Okay, just a gust of 60 right now? All right. So we have 60 to 80 mile per hour winds from the downtown east side to the airport. We're also on CW right now because we took a power hit here at Channel 6. And the airport is evacuating at this very moment for the damage that's occurring out there or prepared to occur, or preparing in case that does occur. Darren, I see your feed right now. You're in the middle of it. Still 60 mile an hour winds or so?
Yes. Yeah,
okay.
They're sustained.
All right. Vaughn, you with me?
Yes, I'm headed south on Highway 69, which is just it's a bottleneck of cars right now. And this area that looks like it, the area to the north could be occluding and giving way to this area to the south here. I'm going down here to make sure that, whatever comes this way to the south on 69, I'm at 41st right now. But I'm going to stay down here on the south side of it to see what this area. We've got strong west winds right here, probably 40 to 50 miles an hour with the rain curtains.
All right. And we also have at this time, let's go back to Will for a second. Thank you, Vaughn. Will, what do you got for a picture? Also, while I'm saying this, if you have friends that are listening, you can pick us up on our radio partners, which is iHeartRadio. And we also have is that a tornado? What is? Okay. Hey, Will, on the southwest side of Tulsa right now, we have, let's see, let's go to T5. We're looking at, I can't tell if that's a smoke from the refinery. Would that be it? That's a smoke from the refinery.
Right now, we don't see anything on the ground. We do see some smoke from the refinery.
That's it.
Some heavy fire, if you will. It looks like they're really burning off some methane. That is from the refinery itself. Now, we can tell you right now that the cell is just over Tulsa International. They did have reports, and the tower could tell me they saw blowing debris south of their tower towards I-244. And my last communication was